Hello, my coloring guardians. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. I got a package in the mail today, and this is the rest of my coloring books that I have gotten. These coloring books that I got mostly are from Jade Summer, and they're very affordable on Amazon. You just type in Jade Summer, and she'll pop up, and yeah. I also wanted to say that I'm going to be doing a video teaching you some tricks of how to make your coloring experience better, and how to make a smooth smooth coloring page without the white dots. So let's open her up. Of course, they have that. We'll take all these. Ugh. Oops, sorry about that. So these are all the coloring books that I got. And like I said, they're mostly Jade Summer, and I got them because I like her books. Now, this one that I have has 4 books in one. So I got these books right here. I got these ones, and then I got a volume 2 on this one. So let's show you. This one is called Cute Witches, and it's by Jade Summer. And they have different types of like Halloween themed. Let me see. Move that like that just a little bit. Hold on. There we go. So these are like Halloween themed, cute little witches. And then this is all the books that Jade Summer made. There's a whole list of them. If you want to take a snap, hold on, see if I can get this. A snapshot of that, you can, and then you can always like make it bigger. And so yeah, so this is the witch theme. Okay. Now this is the mermaids. Now I have the, let me find it here. I have this is the same book, but this is grayscale, which that means it looks like this, and you color like depending on like the darkness. You pick 3 of the same colors and whatever you want to do, and then you shade in dark and then light, and then, no, dark, medium, and light, and then it's supposed to turn out really pretty. So this is the regular mermaid. So this is not grayscale, and I believe this is the same pictures as the grayscale. It looks like there's double of some. So there's that one. And this one's a mermaid one. I either got mermaid or unicorns. It says cute fairies. So there's fairies and mermaids in this one. And like, there's just a variety in here. It says join our artwork group. Find us on Facebook. So again, this is mermaids. And like I said, the one that had 4 pictures on the cover, that's Fantasy Collection. And so some of these pages are in there. So Then I got this one. This is the Unicorn Coloring Book number 2. I have the number 1. And so this is number 2. It's just different unicorns. I like that. That's cute. So yeah, I hope you like my new setup. I actually am using one of my makeup tables, and I just put this little thing here so it looked all nice. You wouldn't see the dirty table, the stained up table. And this is where I'm gonna try this set in color. As long as I can stand it. The reason why I color in my bed is it's more comfortable because I can't set up in a chair for hours. My limit is about 4 hours. Anyway, this is called Cute Animals. Aww. Has different cute little animals in it. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. I can't even say sea turtle. I can't even talk. Sea turtle. Oh, I can't talk. I've been like that all day. I know how to say it. I just get tongue-tied. So this is the Cute Fairies. Whoa. And if you like this ASMR channel where I color, and I may not do ASMR on every video, I may just do a chit chat and color. Then I may do some ASMR. And I'll do recorded videos because somebody asked if I would do recorded videos and do coloring and just be quiet. And they tell me, be quiet when you do ASMR and not talk. So that's what I'll do. So this is Grayscale 2. I didn't know that. And this is Vampires. Like when people do this and they do it right, it like turns out really pretty. Like with grayscale, like where it's darker, you use a dark color, and then when it's like a little lighter, you use the medium, and then when it's super light, then you use the lightest color. I've been watching videos on how to do grayscale because I really didn't know how to do grayscale. And I really want Prisma colors, and I want alcohol markers so I can use them too. So this is the Vampires one. So this one is the same one as this one, but it's not grayscale. Like I said, I will leave a link in the description for Jade Summers coloring books on Amazon, and you guys can go and look for my coloring Guardians. So this is all I got, and then plus the other ones, and I did this nifty system to put them in. Simple. I found this bin, and I put them all in here. I put all the Jade Summer ones together. I'm going to, did I get the, oh, this is volume 2. Did I even show you this? This is the Vampire volume 2. I don't even know if I showed you this. Can you guys see? Like, this is the second one. Sorry, that's not in focus. So I'm going to put, here, let's move it back this way. I'm going to put them together. Because there's fairies. I want let's do all the vampire ones. I don't know if they had a Vampire 2 in grayscale or what. So this one's a fairy, so we put that one with the fairy. I like to be organized. I really do. When it comes to books and stuff. Let's see. Here is the unicorn ones. And yeah, you're like, Rebekah, why did you get all those? You wouldn't be able to finish them. I just got them to be have a variety of books that I could choose from in color. I'm thinking about maybe taking a page out and the pages out and then put them in like a portfolio type thing. So this big thing fits all my books. All these right here are all the Jade Summer, and then these are just different ones that I got. I will, like I said, I will be doing a tricks, like tips and tricks kind of thing to make your coloring smooth. If I show this to you, like there's no white spots in here. It's really it's really smooth looking. How I did this, I'll just show you how what I used, but I will demonstrate it in a different video. I used petroleum jelly. And yes, it makes it first greasy, but if you take a paper towel and just rub where you colored it, then it won't be greasy. It'd be fine. See, like, I actually touched it when I was using it, and you can see, like, little spots, but that's why you want to have this with you. I really wish I can, I'm going to, like, cut this so then I can actually put it on here and color it. Let me see. It kind of seeps through a little bit. The reason why I put this like this is because so me coloring won't go to the next page. Another trick which I will be showing you, that I've seen someone use what's it called? Miracle spirits? Something spirits. I totally forgot. And basically it is a thinner. So I'm using this. This is a thinner too, so I think it would both work because that's a thinner and it's supposed to be low odor. This is a low odor, so this should work. I will be showing you how to do it using this. Now, if you use this, make sure you do it in a well ventilated area. It's still going to smell even though it says low odor. So yes. And I will be showing you these techniques. Because I did her with the Vaseline. And it's so much smoother and everything. I was thinking about going a little darker a little bit to kind of highlight it. But I did it on my one page. Let me see if I can find my one page. This is my one page. Now, if you compare this to this does look good, but if I go and use spirits on it, then it will blend all this together and it'll look really awesome. I really like this picture. I think I did an amazing job on this. I haven't done anything with her. I may do different like tones of color when I start doing this. So look out for tonight at 7 p.m. I will be going live and we will color this picture, chit chat. I'm not going to do ASMR. I'm going to just do a chit chat video and we can talk to each other and see how everyone's doing. So yes, so that is it. I hope you like this new setup. Let me move you like that. And hope that you can see, and I can even zoom in if you can't. And yeah, so, and I have all my art supplies on the rolling bins. And maybe, like, I could do watercolor on this too. Like, do, like, Crayolas, like colored pencils and watercolors. I would just have to have a thing behind this. The only thing about this paper is very thin, so if you use watercolors, it's going to buckle. I really wish that they would have made this like a cardstock type of paper so that you're able to do that, but they did not. Let me see this one. Like all the ones I have, like this one right here, the paper is thick. So this one right here would be good for coloring. Let me see if I have another one. I don't think this one is. No, that's not. I think maybe that's the only one that, maybe. Oh, this is a thick paper, thick card stock paper. So yeah, I have some that are have like that thick paper. So that is good. But yeah, we're just gonna have fun tonight, and everything. So I'll talk to you guys later, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to all, and share my videos. I love you guys, and see you in the next video.